tonight we are going yard. Noah, take it away.
Ooh, nice gonna crack.
It looks like it's still mostly intact.
How would you like it? With the Nomar Garcia Parra or the Tony Batista? Or maybe, for lefties, you want the Ken Griffey Jr. You want the Ken Griffey Jr.? How about that?
It's a good one. I think there's still, we can still do something to it.
You want to throw it up and I'll just smack it?
Hold on. Let me take a crack at this.
And Nate is going to be coming out here. There's Big Daddy.
This right here is a sledge axe. It is used by woodcutters and firemen and melon haters.
And in that moment I decided that Melon would not be forgiven.
And people who don't like furniture.
Here, hold this. Okay.
There we go.
It doesn't want to spat. It's too soft. It's too soft.
Got it.
It got into my mouth.
Delicious.
It's too soft. If it was a fresher one, it would have been easier.
Here's the sad remnants.
If it was fresh, it would have been easier, much easier.
Andres,
All right.
you want to play a little golf?
That was
Let's
something.
get this mostly cleaned up.
Yeah.
Cut it.